Okay, Apple is finally doing it. A folding iPhone. Not a rumor, not a concept. This thing is actually happening in 2026. And after years of Samsung and Google owning this space, Apple is about to walk in and flip the entire foldable market upside down. Let's break down everything we know. So first, when and how much? The iPhone Fold is expected to launch alongside the iPhone 18 lineup. But here's the twist. While the 18 Pro and Pro Max drop in September, the Fold could be pushed to a December release. Why? Mass production delays. Apple's legendary quality control is apparently making suppliers sweat. On price, analysts are pointing to around $2,000, same as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Some leaks hint slightly under that, but honestly, don't count on it. And yet, analysts still predict Apple grabs 22% of the entire foldable market in year one and over a third of the revenue. That's insane for a debut device. Oh, and one more thing. Don't get too attached to the name iPhone Fold. There are credible rumors it could launch as the iPhone Ultra instead. Now for the good stuff, the design. Think two iPhone Airs folded together. Apple's own John Ternus basically teased this in an interview, hinting that the Air's DNA carries into future products. The frame? A first-ever combo of titanium and aluminum. Apple has never mixed both on a single iPhone before. All the physical buttons are reportedly shifting to the left side, including volume. No SIM tray, eSIM only. But in exchange, my Touch ID might be coming back, the first time on an iPhone in years. When unfolded, this could be the thinnest iPhone ever made, beating even the 5.6mm iPhone Air. Leaked dummy unit photos back this up, showing an unusually wide foldable form factor. Colors? Likely just dark blue or white. Limited, but premium. And the hinge, which we were worried about being crazy expensive, is reportedly coming in more affordable than expected. Good news for everyone. Two screens, a 7.8-inch inner display and a 5.5-inch outer display. The inner screen is reportedly being built by Samsung Display, the best in the business at flexible panels. The big headline here is the crease, or the lack of one. Apple is reportedly using a combination of optically clear adhesive, variable thickness glass engineering, and potentially a liquid metal hinge to make the fold line nearly invisible. That would be a massive leap over every foldable on the market right now. Cameras are keeping it lean, likely two 48-megapixel rear cameras and two 18-megapixel front cameras, similar to the iPhone Air approach. Apple has at least explored an under-display camera on the inner screen, though that tech is still hit or miss. Under the hood, expect the A20 or A20 Pro chip, at least 12 GB RAM and 256 GB space storage. But the battery is the real surprise, rumored at 5,000 to 5,500 mAh, the biggest ever on an iPhone, which it'll need to power that massive display. And the software? iOS 27 is reportedly being built specifically around the foldable form factor, new interface elements, multitasking layouts, the works. Apple's four big selling points: durability, performance, a crease-free display, and that iPad-sized unfolded experience. If they nail all four at $2,000, this thing could redefine the entire category. Samsung has had 7 generations to perfect this. Google is closing in. But an iPhone Fold, that changes the conversation entirely. We're watching this one closely. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the moment Apple finally pulls back the curtain. Drop in the comments, are you buying one? I'll see you in the next one. We want you to stay with us by subscribing and share your valuable feedback through comments. See you in the next video.